Should you consider pre-listing inspections for your home? When and why should you consider having inspections done prior to listing your home? In our area, it's typical for the buyers to pay for inspections, but there are times when it may benefit sellers to handle them up front. While we don't always recommend this, there are situations where pre-listing inspections can save time and money. Hi, I'm Tracy with the Freedom Group, powered by Charter One Realty. As a seller, it's crucial to be aware of your home's condition to avoid unexpected costs later on. Imagine receiving a $25,000 termite repair bill and the buyer insists it must be addressed before they proceed with the purchase. If you've already bought another home and need those funds to close, this can create serious issues. Or maybe your home needs a new roof or a new AC unit. By getting inspections done beforehand, you have options. Sell the home as is and disclose the repairs, decide not to sell, or take care of the necessary fixes. The goal is to eliminate any surprises that could cost you down the line. We recommend 3 key inspections: home, roof, and termite. These are the same inspections buyers typically request. The benefit of doing them up front, you'll have peace of mind knowing that there won't be any unexpected repair requests that could cut into your proceeds. It can also speed up the process and reassure buyers that they're purchasing a home in great condition. If you're buying a new property, this added certainty is especially important. You'll need every dollar from your sale to secure your new home. Additionally, if your buyer is using bank financing, some loans require health, safety, and termite repairs to be completed before closing. So having these done ensures fewer delays. To sum it up, pre-listing inspections can give you, the buyer, and the lender great confidence that everything will go smoothly, keeping everyone protected from start to finish. I'm Tracy with the Freedom Group, where experience meets enthusiasm and your success is my priority. See you next time.